Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mamta Mehta and today I am going to be discussing with you all things which I learned in lockdown, or maybe lockdown taught me these things. So let's dive into the video and let's see what all things I have learned during lockdown. So the first thing what I learned during lockdown is cooking. I think everybody during lockdown has become a master chef in their self somewhere or the other, being it a boy or a girl. Everybody have tried to experiment their hands on desserts and different type of cuisines and mocktails and whatnot. And that's what even I have done. I started preparing notes and jotting down, the measurements and the quantity to be needed while making a dish, and that's how I have started learning. So the second thing which I learned in lockdown is workout and exercise. So during office time, I used to personally not get time to go for workout or gym. So what I started during lockdown is I used to go for 1 hour walk daily. I also started following few people on YouTube, and I used to practice exercises the way they used to show in their videos. This is how I started maintaining my diet and my workout regime during lockdown. So the third thing which I learned during lockdown is self-care. So during the office days and when we were working, I personally did not get enough of time to do my morning skincare routine and my nighttime skincare routine. That's what I started doing during lockdown, is started taking care of my skin and my hair with home remedies, and this has actually helped change my skincare routine and changed my skincare game basically, and I'm really enjoying it. So this is what I have learned. So the fourth thing which I learned during lockdown is respect for our helpers and mothers. So everybody knows that after March nobody had helpers coming in the building or houses. So that's how we, the family members of my house, we all divided the household chores and took up the responsibility of the house and did all the household chores individually and willingly. So the next thing which I learned during lockdown is cutting down the expenses and savings. So the lockdown, I and my friends, we used to hang out a lot, and we used to go out for outdoor shoppings. Actually, during lockdown, when I sit and realize there are so many things which I have purchased in the past and I had not even used it even once, and also there are so many things which I have purchased twice or thrice, not even realizing that I already had one of them. So that's what I actually did during the lockdown. I had only purchased things which are actually needed, or I'm really proud of that I saved on a lot of money of mine, which I can use it for my future. So the last thing which I learned during lockdown is YouTube. So I think everybody has started a new venture or a new hobby during lockdown. May it be drawing, may it be starting up a new business. So basically I am a travel agent and I design packages for my client, but due to the pandemic situation there is no travel happening, and that's when I thought why not to work on my hobby or my dream. And it's been I think 1 or 2 years when I was thinking to start up my own YouTube channel, and I think lockdown made it happen. And I started my own YouTube channel and started making videos for you people. So these were the things which I learned during lockdown, and please comment down below and let me know what all things you have learned during lockdown. And if you have watched the video till here, you all know the drill. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel to know more about my upcoming videos. Till then, everybody take care.